Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'll be showing you this Singapore 1992 third ship series $2 banknotes. Before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So the size of these banknotes is 133 mm times 63 mm, and the signature on these banknotes is belong to Dr. Tsu Tau. Now this banknotes is printed by a few printer. One of it is Thomas DeLaRue. Another one is Harrison and Son, those from 1997, and BA banknotes 1998. Now there's a few types of it, but I won't be going through until I came across one. However, the notes today I'll be showing you is the one printed by Thomas DeLaRue, which is issued at 1992. The replacement notes for this printer is FF. So I'm going to leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Alright, let's take a closer look at the banknotes. This is how the front of the notes look like. So it should so the shape is Tongkang shape, and here should have the signature of the Minister of Finance, belong to Tsu Tau. Forgive me if I pronounce it wrongly, all the Singaporeans out there. Turn it around. Here's how the other side of the notes look like. Yeah, I think in the video description I just put it as 1992. Sorry if I say so there should be a the printer name here. As you can see here, this one is printed by Thomas DeLaRue and Company Limited. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.